Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which account is the child's and which is yours, because controls live per account. Once done, make sure you sign into the parent account at Roblox. Com/settings. Enter the correct birth date for the child, so Roblox applies appropriate chat and content filters. Then enable two-step verification on your login to prevent unauthorized changes. These initial steps secure control and ensure the platform's automated protections match the child's age, which is why you must do them first. Next, navigate to Settings, then Privacy. You'll change who can message, chat, and friend the child. Choose No One or Friends for each permission. Your selection controls exposure. If you need stricter limits, flip on Account Restrictions to force maximum filtering across games and experiences. Once applied, make sure to explicitly turn off voice or text chat where necessary, because some games still request access. Finally, review friends and blocked lists regularly to keep unknown users from reappearing. To finish, add a 4-digit PIN to lock settings so your child cannot undo restrictions. This prevents accidental or intentional changes. Then control spending by requiring approval for purchases and trades, and consider using gift cards instead of linked payment methods. Once done, test the account by attempting a restricted action to confirm rules apply. If something breaks, clear the browser cache, verify the parent email, re-sign in, and only then contact Roblox support. This troubleshooting order saves time and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.